What's going on, guys? In this tutorial I want to continue from where we ended from the previous session. So let's go ahead and then open it, and in this section we want to focus on this and this, and we want to add an additional object or figure. So let me add this one here to it. Okay, I want to put that one over here. So let me also reduce the size of this guy here, so I can at least bring all of these guys here to the middle, and this one also over here. Okay, so what I'm going to show you for the first time is, let's select this one and go to animations. Now I wouldn't advise that we'll be using this one, because you realize that we'll be adding a couple of animations to it. So if you are supposed to be adding the animations from this section, we'll be replacing whatever thing we did. So we'll be using add animation. Okay, and all of the elements over here can also be found here, and this thing here indicates that perhaps you have an animation sitting down there waiting for you, and you want to add another animation to it. Okay, so let's go ahead and then select this, and the first animation I'm going to show you is the zoom. Okay, so I don't want to use zoom for lines, I want to use the zoom for objects. So let me use this zoom over here, and you can see how it popped up. So let's come here, and you can see how it comes out like that. Now there are some properties to this one. Now when I select this one here, look up here, you can see start is on click. That means when you are playing it, so you click a button, that one is not going to show up. So let me click, and you can see that one shows up. So there are some few things we can do about this one. You can just change this one here and then see with previous. So with previous means that it's going to play together with previous animation. So if we had one animation here and another animation here, we select with previous, they are both going to happen at the same time. So I usually prefer to use after previous. So after previous means it is going to start playing right after the first one plays. Okay, so let's go ahead and then select, since it's the first one, let's go and select with previous, or probably after previous is not bad. So let's go ahead and then run this one, and you can see that I then click any button and it shows up. Okay, so the second animation I'm going to show you has to do with the lines. Okay, let's go here, and then I'm going to show you with the wipe. I told you I was going to show you 3 different animations. The first one is the zoom, the second one is the wipe, and the third one is down here. I'm going to talk about it very soon. So let's use the wipe. Let me select the wipe, and you can see how it showed up. Now let me select this one as after previous. Look at this, and you can see how it appears, but I don't want it to appear like that. So the next thing I'm going to do is to check the effect option. See that you can see that it was moving from bottom to top. So let's check it once again, and you can see something like that. So I want to change it that it should move from left to right like this. Okay, so let's go ahead and then see this, and you can see that. All right, but you can see the rate at which it was moving. That means it was supposed to complete it within 0.5 seconds or milliseconds or so. Yeah, and that is very fast. Okay, so let's increase this one to say maybe 1.50 and check it out, and look at the speed. Okay, so you can just fine tune things to suit what you want.